I just came down off the hill right there, followed the path over this way, around this way. We are at Panther Creek Falls. I haven't walked in yet. I sent the guys ahead of me. Walking down to Panther Creek. That's it in front. From what I can see, side angle, it is awesome over here. I'm gonna go down to that deck. The guys are here already. Here's Ryan. There's Alan over here already on the observation deck. Oh my God. I gotta tell you folks, this video does not do justice to what I'm seeing right now. This is absolutely beautiful. Oh, what a gorgeous fall. Quite a drop off this platform here. You can see down through the trees. I don't think we're going down that way. I thought about it first, but not now. Go back to the waterfall. I think this is probably the prettiest waterfall I've ever seen, and in the last year I've seen lots of them. This is gorgeous. The only thing that would help is if the sun was out a little bit right now. It's a little cold. There's one big beach out. The water seems to flow in here from everywhere. Like I said, I really can't do a 360 very well here. I'm gonna go back over here. Excuse me, guys. Let me walk over here. Get this where it's dropping off. See down over here. Up through the trees. I will try to walk through the trees here a little bit. Probably not supposed to be in this area. A little dangerous. Under the deck. Don't want to get too close to that. This is all above the falls. This was well worth the hike, which is only 500 feet off the road. And like I said, the trail down is really easy. Nice observation deck. The problem is trying to find this place. You got to go to the side of the hill where it's kind of a gravel pit where you got to pull off. We are about 18 miles from Carson, Washington. Back up here. About 18 miles from Carson, Washington. Panther Creek. Once again, if you ever get the chance to come here, come see this waterfall. It is the prettiest one I've ever seen. Absolutely beautiful.